Hello everyone, welcome to our channel that is Solid Master. In this session, I will start us 2D sketches, means how to draw 2D sketches in AutoCAD. As I have shown you in our earlier videos. So this one is a little bit different. Here I will show you how to draw these basic sketches so that you can practice it in your home. I have this drawing also here, 150 exercise PDF. First this one, second and third. I hope you have seen this all the 2D sketches here. So this I will share you in our description link. So let's start. Select here new template, open, and first of all I will type here unit, UN enter, select 0 mm and click OK. Now type here limits, type 0, 0, 100, 100. Now enter Z, enter A, enter, like this. So our graphics window has changed here. That means it is automatically zoom in, zoom out. We can make it. So our first drawing I will start here. Go to circle command. Select here first point. And draw one circle that is radius 40 mm. So I will draw it radius 40 mm. First circle. Then our next circle will be radius 32. For that I will press here spacebar key so that I will return in the command, in circle command. This is our recent command here. So select here center point of this circle and make 32 mm radius. Now again two circles we have to make here, that is radius 16 and radius 21. So spacebar it, take the center point of previous circles, select here this center point and make 16 mm radius. And for the last circle take 21 mm radius. Now these circles we have drawn here. Now draw one line. So I will type here L, enter. Select here this center point up to here, like this. And for that click here ortho mode. Shortcut key will be F8. Select here line. Select this point up to here. Now I will choose here offset command so that we can make here one cut. So type here offset in command bar and press 3 mm. Select this line first and second. That means the total distance will be 6 mm. So I will make it one cut here, trim. Select here or type TR, enter and second enter. You can use spacebar also. And you can see here cross mark, that means it is trimming. This intersection part will be erased. Now this trimming we have done. Now for this I will choose here array command, that means pattern. Select here polar array. Shortcut key will be array polar. It will create the objects which is in circular pattern. Select here objects. Then press right click in your mouse. Select here this point, that is center point. Now items will be displayed as 6, that means specifies the number of items will be 6. Keep as it is, and between the distance will be 360 and fill angle will be 360 degree. This is 60 degree and this is 360 degree. Angle between two objects, and this is full round, that is 360 degree here. Select here close array. Now again go to tr enter, that is trim command. Double enter. Trim like this. Now inside portion we have done. Make it outside one. So I will select here line command and select this center point of circle. Make it 70 mm line. Press here right click button. Now type here C enter, that is circle command. Select here this point. Make it 20 mm radius, and again press the spacebar button so that we can return to our previous command. Select here this circle and type here 15 mm radius. So this portion we have created. Again choose line command. Select this center point of circle and make 60 mm length, and here will be 50 mm in horizontal direction. Right click enter so that you can exit here. Now type here C enter and select this end point. Make it 21 mm radius, and if you want to copy this circle and fix here, you can do it by typing CO enter, that is copy command. You can get here also in Mechanical AutoCAD. So first of all I will select here object. First right click, select here base point and select this end point of circle. Select here line command and choose here this end point like this, and move up to here this circle, that is tangent point. No, it is not been properly made. Make sure it will be smooth surface. Yeah, like this. make sure it will be intersect by two entities here, this line which has intersect properly now. So we have to make one radius here also, here and here. So for that I will go to here, circles, underscroll not, drop down this circle command and select here tan radius. Select here this point and this point and make it 20 mm radius like this. So use here trim command, select here trim, enter. Select here trim, enter. Now we have created this portion here. Only remaining is that we can mirror it, because in our drawing it is symmetry. So type here mi enter, that is mirror. Select the objects, this one, and press here right click. Select this point, first point of mirror line, and second here, this second point, and erase the source, that will be no. Now like this we have to create on upper side. So for that, select here mirror command, select the objects that we want, right click, select this point and this point. So our drawing is complete, first drawing. So I will do here one coloring. Go to here hatch and select here gradient. I will choose here first color will be this one, second color will be this one, and choose here this sphere. Select this close boundary and this one, and select one by one close boundaries for this colors. Right click, enter. Now again I will select here some gradient colors. Go to hatch, go to gradient, select here this cyan and select this white color. Now choose this sphere. Now go to here again hatch and select the outer color. So for that I will select this one. So our first sketch is finished, 2D sketch. Later I will apply here some dimensions. Now move to our second sketch. So for that I will choose here line command. Now choose here line. So make it 115 mm length. Enter. Now select here circle. So for that I will type here C, enter. Choose the point, end point. Take the diameter as 20 mm diameter. Select here circle, spacebar it, select this point, D, enter, and make 10 mm diameter, like this way. So now for second portion we will select here line, this point, end point, and make it 24 mm height, and length will be 47 mm length. Now we have get this point here. So again go to C, enter, type C, this point, make it radius 10, spacebar it, type it 7, now type here L, enter, that is line, select this point and make it 26 mm length. Now type C, enter, select this end point and make here diameter, D, enter, 66. Now again we have to make here two arcs. So for that use tan radius, that is TTR. Select here tan radius. Select this point and this point. Make radius 20. And type here TR, enter, double enter. Now again go to tan radius. Select this point and this point. Make it radius as 10 mm. See, our circle is created between two tangent points, two arc points, and trim it, TR, enter. Now again we have to use tan radius. Select here this point, tangent, and this point. Make it specify radius as 20 mm. Make it TR, enter. Again spacebar it. Again select TR mirror. Select these entities that we have drawn. Select these entities. Right click. Select this point and this point. So now trim it. Type here TR, enter. Trim these objects that we don't want, like this. Now for the top portion, type here C, enter. Select this point. Type D, enter. And type again 32 diameter. Press the space bar. Select this end point and type 20. First type D, enter, and then type 20 diameter. Select this tan radius. Select the radius 64 mm radius. Type here TR and enter again. Now we have created this portion here. So again we have to trim the mirror this portion. So for that I will choose here mirror command that is available in modify tool. Select these two arcs, right click, select this end point and this one. Now again TR, error source will be no. TR and enter. Select here center diameter, this point, and make it diameter 40. Select this center radius. Select this quadrant and type here C radius and make it trim here. Single enter here because we have chosen here trim. So that also will be trimmed like this. Now choose again polar array. Select this object, right click and this center point and keep as it is these parameters as you can see here. Closed. Type here TR and enter and trim this intersect geometries. Now our second geometry is finished. hatch, select here gradient, select this green color, select this cylindrical portion, this cylindrical pattern type, like this, and close it. Again go to hatch, select this solid, select here white color, and choose this close boundaries. So our two sketches are ready. Now for the last one, I will go select here circle command, center diameter, down the arrow, select this point and make it diameter 226 mm. This is our bigger one diameter. Select this line command, select the center point, select the center line, select this this entity, right click, properties, line type, and go to here center. Select here center radius, select this point, make it 26 mm radius, and again spacebar it, select this point, make it 20 mm radius. Select this polar array, select this arc, right click, and this endpoint, select this item 4 mm, close array, select this circle, center radius, make it 55 mm radius. Select underscroll, center diameter, make it diameter is 88 mm radius. Now we will select here offset. So select here offset command, make it thickness as 10 mm, first and second. Now go to TR, enter. Here it is not trimming because we have chosen here polar array. So for that, go to explode and select this arrays, right. So now they have become the separate objects. Go to trim. select this center circle, select this point, make its diameter as 128 mm. Select here polar array. Select this objects, right click. Select this endpoint. Make it 4 mm. Items will be 4. Tier, enter. Now again go to here TT radius, that is Tantan radius. Underscroll this circle command and select here Tantan radius. Now select this point of circle to this outer circle and make 40 mm radius. So our circle is created, only just we have to trim it. Now again go to TTR, that is Tantan radius. Select this one and this one and make it spacebar. Now go to here mirror command, select this objects and select this point and this point. Now only one thing is remaining, that is line command. Select your line and close this boundary like this and go to mirror. Right click, select this point and up to this line. Again we have to choose here mirror command. Select this point and this point. Right click, enter. Now again go to trim. One thing, this we have to trim it. So our 2D sketch is completed here. Only we have to do some rendering like color, adding colors and dimensions. So for that I will select here hatch command. Select here hatch color. Go to gradient. Now go to hatch command. Select here solid color as yellow. So I will go here dimensions. So for that I will modify it. Type here DIMS, that is dimension management style. Go here. Here dimension management style dialog box has appeared. Go to modify and select here text. Now the text I will give here, that is 6 mm. OK. Now go to set current and close it. Now give all dimensions here. Select here dimension underscore and whichever dimensions they have given in our drawing, we have to give that. Select here horizontal. Select this point up to this. Select this point and this. Select this and this point. Select this horizontal arrow, this point and this one. Select here power radius. Select this one. It will take some time to give all the dimensions. Now go to radius. Now for the third one. I know it takes some time to make all these dimensions, but it is for you only, so that you can learn how to give the dimensions. So I have given all the dimensions. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe our channel so that we can make more and more videos for you in different softwares like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, PTC Creo and ANSYS. We have not started our ANSYS yet. If I install the ANSYS software, then only we can start it. So till the time I will use AutoCAD, SolidWorks and PTC Creo. So thank you friends watching my video. Take care.